Page 16. 12. Troubleshooting. Consult this table before contacting support. Support is not available. Consult this table. Problem. Possible cause. Solution. Miku sounds like Miku. Expected behavior. This is correct. No action required. Upload rejected, video too long. Channel not verified. Unverified. Channels max out at 15 minutes. Go to youtube.com/verify and verify with your phone number. Takes 2 minutes. Now. Re-upload needed after verification, retry. With Python upload _youtube.py. Retry. Need to rerun the full pipeline from scratch. Partial run or wrong settings on. First run. Python auto _pipeline.py. Manuals / manual.pdf. Clean this. Deletes the existing episode folder and reruns everything. Applio, no model found for voice. Miku. Miku.pth not placed in correct directory. Copy infamous _Miku _v2.pth2. C:\applio /Miku Miku.pth. Applio, unrecognized arguments. Applio version mismatch. Old args. Used. Applio _infer.py uses pitch. Volume _envelope, f0 method. Do not. Add filter _radius or hop _length. These. Or removed. Applio, rmvp.pt not found. F0 model file missing from Applio. Open Applio GUI and perform one manual inference to trigger download. Inference output is robotic or clucking. Pitch shift too high or index rate too strong. Try Miku _pitch equals 0 first. Adjust up in steps. F2. Upload fails with quota error. Daily upload limit, 10,000 units. Reached. Wait until midnight UTC. Pending uploads. Are in upload _try.txt. Upload fails with 401. Unauthorized. YouTube OAuth token has expired. Run, Python upload _youtube.py. Us. Miku reads, image. Detected, allowed. Expected behavior. A page. Contained an image. This is correct. Miku acknowledges. Images. She cannot show them. PDF extraction produces garbled text. Source PDF is a scanned image. Without OCR layer. Extract _manual.py requires text layer PDFs, scanned image only. PDFs are not supported. Video file is 0 bytes. FFmpeg failed silently. Run FFmpeg version to verify installation. Check path. Miku's manual. Model, MKSMN 2026 EN Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, viral public license, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 17. 13. Technical specifications. Specification. Value. Voice model. Infamous _Miku _v2, RVC, 271 megabytes. Voice engine. Applio, local RVC inference, runs on your machine. Base TTS. Microsoft Edge TTS Neural Voices, 12 languages, Edge TTS, free. Languages. N, JA, ZHCN, PL, CS, TH, KO, DA, FR, ES, RU, IT. Video resolution. 1920 by 1080px, 1080p. Video codec. H.264, Links 264, CRF22, preset, fast. Audio codec. AAC, 192 kbps. Waveform color. Hashtag 0e, Miku teal. Waveform height. 270 px, positioned at y equals 770, 40 px from bottom. Waveform exact. Screen blend glow, sharp plus box glow radius 12 composite. Translation engine. Google Translate via Deep Translator, free, no key required. Content source. Manualslib, manualslib.com, publicly accessible. PDF extraction. Kiwaimu PDF, fits. Upload API. YouTube Data API v3. Daily upload quota. 6 videos /day, 9,600 units, within 10,000 unit default. Episode length. 1-800 words /part, 10-12 minutes at Miku's pace. Image handling. Placeholder text inserted. Images not displayed or described. Platform. Windows 10 11, Python 3.10 plus. License. Viral public license, Copyleft, C, all rights reversed. Miku's manual. Model, NKSMN 2026 EN Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, viral public license, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 18. 14. Regulatory compliance. All content produced by this channel is subject to the following license. Viral public license. Copyleft, I, all rights reversed. This work is hereby relinquished of all associated ownership, attribution, and copyrights, and redistribution or use of any kind, with or without modification, is permitted without restriction subject to the following conditions. 1. Redistributions of this work, or any work that makes use of any of the contents of this work by any kind of copying, dependency, linkage, or any other possible form of derivation or combination, must retain the entirety of this license. 2. No further restrictions of any kind may be applied. viralpubliclicense.org. Source texts are public domain or publicly accessible product documentation. Voice synthesis performed by infamous_Miku_V2 RVC. Model. Pipeline source, github.com/myceliation, contact, myceliation@gmail.com. Miku's manual. Model, NKSMN 2026 EN Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, viral public license, viralpubliclicense.org.